Guys, this is Uzafa for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about change. Change is a part of life. Sometimes what you expect and what you get is totally different thing. Let me give one example. Today at my house there was an emergency and my parents needs to go to hospital. So they were not able to make lunch. So on urgent basis I went outside to eat my food. There are a lot of circumstances which may happen like that, but you need to adapt yourself, you need to change yourself according to the circumstances. And adaptability is the most important thing one can have. It is just like Charles Darwin theory, survival of the fittest. Adaptation, changing of the circumstances, it's very much important in today's life. Our life is changing at so much rate, at a very fast rate, at every second, at every moment. So we must be aware of the current, of the present situation and adapt accordingly. Lot of people find very much difficult to adapt to change as per the circumstances. Why? Because they have accustomed themselves as per the belief and as per the situation. They have fitted themselves in that particular situation, in that particular scenario, and they don't want to get out of it. But my friend, life is full of change. Life is the process of adaptation. One must change him or herself. Today I am not having my family life. Today I am not having my kids. Maybe in a year or two I will be having my family life, my kids. So all my things will change. All my process will be changed. Whole my life will be changed. So adaptation is the key if you want to achieve success in life. I was talking about adaptability, change. Change is a part of life. Right now, whatever phase of your life you are in, there will be change in your life, and you must adapt accordingly. Before I was making different kind of videos at different location from different viewpoint, but right now I'm making some other content in the same manner, and now I am more proficient, a pro level. Now I don't require, it is not required to retake or to feel shy in front of camera, but I'm confident in myself that I can do anything, I can create amazing content. And that's what the change is about. So in your life also there might be lot of changes. The process that you are currently in might change in the next duration or next time. You must be readily and willingly to accept that change. Lot of people don't accept because their mental condition is not that powerful. They are not into their optimum level, so they are not able to accept or adapt the change that is required in their life. And life can throw, life is unexpected situation may arise in life, emergency situation may arise. So you must be ready enough, you must be physically and mentally strong enough to tackle that problem, to tackle the emergency and conditions which might appear suddenly. A sudden loss of a loved one can be one of the examples. There are numerous examples, and we must be ready. But right now we are so much into negativity and not able to cope with ourselves, our emotions, our thoughts, our feelings, due to which we find very much difficult to accept the right thing, to accept what is happening in the present, in the now. We always think about future and past. However, there is, everything that happens is in the now. You are happy because you live in the now. When you are living into future or into past, you will be having that sad moment, that regret feeling, that feeling of anxiety, fear, depression will hold you because you are not in the now. So in order to become into now, meditate regularly each and every day. Focus on your thoughts, emotions, what is going on in your mind. Be physically aware, be conscious of yourself, what is happening inside the body, what is happening to your thoughts, feelings, how you feel internally. You must be aware about that. And focus, concentration. We are so much distracted in our daily lives into social media, mobile stuff, and other stuff that we forget the time to find for ourselves, which is the most important thing. I definitely encourage you to spend at least 5 minutes on yourself in silence. My battery is draining. Peace.